turning way back, but I guess we gotta let shit happen. This life doesn't come the way you want it to. Motherfuckers is ready out here. Koreatown ready out here. LA ready out here. Downtown LA, we ready out here. Motherfuckers from South Central, we ready out here. H Park, we ready.
Give me much respect on my block. There's a lot of real niggas on my block. Then I put the beam on the Glock. You don't wanna hear that shit hot. There's a lot of real niggas on my block. They give me respect on my block. Then I put the beam on the Glock. You don't wanna hear that shit hot.
Fresh out the cell, hit the streets on bail. Make my money do the talking, fuck that ass so well. They let the OG out, talking to the primo, making moves. My enemies speak in silent locations. I got a beam on them, giving radiation. Caught them all spacing, move in, and leave no tracing. I got them bottom bitch, love street caliber. Hands up, like a robbery. Now you know that we coming for a spy. Heard they all talk, but got no word on the block. I'ma let the Glock spar. Heavy in the game, no one to blame. I did it for the money, fuck the fame. Heavy in the game, no one to blame. I did it for the money, fuck the fame.
They give me much respect on my block. There's a lot of real niggas on my block. Then I put the beam on the Glock. You don't wanna hear that bitch pop. There's a lot of real niggas on my block. They give me respect on my block. Then I put the beam on the Glock. You don't wanna hear that bitch pop.
No really living, nothing out the ordinary. LA lifestyle is driven. Gangsters and riders, bitches and info. Street sale, learn the streets well. Hustle for my lifetime, fuck shit up if I had to. Survival of the baddest, hit you with the status. It's time to be the baddest. Roll up on la troca, smoking on the mota. Chile con los compas, corrido, botes, smoking like mofles. And you know that we did it ever since the beginning of time. Youngest motherfuckers ain't climb. Blessed, relaxing the mind when you fuck with a kind. Dangerous to be extreme. This world's been on soil, been staying loyal. Nothing to spoil, stay hidden unseen. Killing with my infrared beam.
Give me much respect on my block. A lot of real niggas on my block. Then I put the beam on the Glock. You don't wanna hear that bitch pop. A lot of real niggas on my block.